Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ayulita. If you don't know me, I am a mathematics teacher in secondary school in Bali. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to tell you about how I'm preparing my final test just using Google Form. So if you want to know about it, please keep on watching.
Okay, first you have to open your drive, and here is my final test folder in my drive. It's still empty, and you have to prepare everything. Prepare the questions and then the pictures that will be attached on the Google form. So you have to prepare that first, and you have to click new, click more, and find out Google form. Okay, this is the general or the blank form, but there also have from template, so you can choose that, but me personally using the blank one. So I write the name of the task that I will making is mathematics final test for grade 7, and then on the form description is mathematics final test, and I add the unit that they going to use or they're going to learn. And now first you have to ask them to write down their identity, which is the first one is their name, and please click required because they have to do that, and then add more for the number. If you want to make it different, you can make it different. So make sure they're a short answer and then required. Okay, that's for identity. And then you have to click add section. Okay, over there, and name it by number 1 percentage. So the first question is will about percentage, and I add in the description is unit 11 because unit 11 is about the percentage. Okay, and then click add question. Here I open the question that I made. Okay, so I just need to copy and then paste over there. Okay, I make it blur because that is my question for my students. So I add some option on the first one because yeah, they have to comparing something and find the answer, and then add more because they do not only using or finding out, but they also have to upload their answer. So here they have to upload. Okay, that is the way. And then add more section. This question number 2 is about graphs, and I also give the unit, it's unit 13 about graphs. And then click add question and copy the second question. Okay, paste it over there. So they have to complete the table, so you have to upload the file, right? I mean the table picture. So just find out that the pictures that you already prepare, just drag the files, and there you have the file over there. And then here I want them to complete the table, so they have to upload the file, right? So change by the file upload, and please remember to add or the tick the required. Okay, and then second one, just copy the table, I mean the question, And yep, if they have to making or upload something, just change into file upload. Okay, the third section is about the the fourth section is the third question is about time. And then yeah, just like just copy the question and then add the pictures if it's necessary. Okay, and then change it into what kind of do you want, because here I want them to upload the file, so I have to change into file upload. And then okay, that's all. And here you have to control accepting response because you want them to do it on a special time that you already make it in the school, the schedule. So you just set it on the add-on. Okay, so here I want to make it on that date, and then the time is set, the starting time, and then the end time, it can be set over there. So but here you have to make sure that the add-on is already installed in your Chrome or in your Mozilla, because it needs to be installed by yourself. And here's is the way, and then just click save. Okay, you need to wait sometimes, and okay, you can oh yeah, you can also change the header. So right here, if you have the formal header for the, just click upload and then drag the file. This is the formal one, and then you can adjust over there. So I don't know, something happened to my Google Chrome, but yeah, just make it like that and then done. Okay, so here is the formal header. So even we using Google Form, it can be looks like formal task because the header is the formal one. Okay, yeah, that's all. And in the response, there's the setting. Okay, that's all about it, and you can just close the Google Form.
Okay, that's all the video about how I'm making or preparing my final test using Google Form. I hope it can help you by using it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, see you on the next video.